Okay, so I installed this uh, phone mount basically by Telesin, purchased over Amazon. It's got this rubber reducer to reduce this handlebar holder, and then you'll also have to adjust this thumb knob. It can be adjusted to go as far out or as close as you need. Then you clamp it using this and then tighten it, and this is also adjustable using this ball joint kind of thing, and seems pretty good. uh, you can install any phone that you like. This is a Samsung S21. I'm going to install this horizontally so I can take a video of me biking, and this is spring loaded the bottom, so it can be adjusted for any width of phone and it'll hold it tightly.